How to fix a Facebook page not available. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that can fix your problem. So first thing first, if your Facebook page is showing it's not available, make sure you are using the latest version of your app. So head over to your Play Store, search for Facebook. At times, when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So make sure that you see open here. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. Here also you have to search for Facebook, tap onto your Facebook app, then here tap storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Now you have to restart your device and launch your Facebook application. Get logged into your account and this shall fix the problem. And if it's still not working, then the page might be a problem. You can simply send that link to your friends and see if the page is loading on their mobile devices. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.